ModuleWorks and Exocad, Exocad Chairside CAD, and In-CAD Nesting. Chairside CAD workflow is highly automated and optimized for practice use. Seamlessly proceed to manufacturing. In-CAD Nesting, the intuitive, easy-to-use nesting workflow. Exocad DentalCAD and Exocam. A seamless integrated CAM for Exocad DentalCAD. Proceed to CAM directly from CAD with just one single click. Effortlessly select, import, and register blanks with smart filters for seamless nesting. Exocam, powered by ModuleWorks. Seamless nesting and an intuitive UX for 3D manipulation. Visualize the machining toolpaths directly in the UI. Enables C-clamp support for 90-degree machining.